Okay, you guys, Chris Lambert here. I was looking for some water purification stuff to show you that I bought for my bug out bag, and I came across these two boxes that probably were delivered right before I went to work. Tossed them in my pile of boxes and never got to them, so I don't know how long I've had them, and I want to find out what's inside of them, so let's find out with my little $12 Walmart Power Deluxe tool. I don't know if they sell these anymore, but that's what I use. Let's see, this one's pretty heavy. Let's check out this one first. I don't know if it's bug out bag stuff or something else. Let's find out. Oh, don't want to cut too deep. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's stuff for my emergency bug out bag. It looks like we got a Maractive knife. It's the carbon blade one. Some people say these rust with the carbon blade instead of the stainless steel, but I don't know. I must have gotten a good deal on these because, you know, I only buy this stuff either when I've got a lot of money or I get a good deal. So here we go. It's got a nice, is it leather or pleather? It's got this belt loop. Oh, that comes off. A couple of rivets in there. Nice plastic case. There we go. Made in Sweden. It's Maractive carbon knife. Pretty nice knife. You need a full tang blade, which you could see the blade goes all the way through the knife. You need that for your bushcraft / bug out bag. You need that kind of knife. So what else did I get? Looks like I got two 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tools. Let's see what we got in here. It says we have fire starter and a straight edge knife. Wait, is that what it's? Fine honing for the straight edge knife. That's the knife sharpener for straight edge. We got a serrated edge sharpener, like on the serrated edge on the Gerber knife, and a gut hook, I guess for fishing. Is that what that? Fish hook. What do we have on this side? So it's a carbide knife, or it's a carbide coarse sharpening, ceramic for fine honing sharpening, SOS emergency whistle, and fire starter, monocrystalline diamond. Here's the emergency whistle, I guess. That's pretty nice. Like I said, I like small compact things. This is definitely small and compact. Got a lot of stuff. I see a sharpener right there. Opens up, holds it back in. So there we go. 6-in-1 survival tool. You can see the sharpening the knife here. Well, this one is for the serrated edge. See them sharpening the serrated edge with that needle looking thing, and then we got the fire starter. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Now what I have to do is, I've got 3 bug out bags. If anybody wants to see them, let me know. I've got too much stuff in them and not enough of all the different types of things that I need, which is the 10 C's. I need to take them apart and rebuild them. So now let's see what's in mystery box number 2. What do we have in here? We've got another Gerber knife. I think this is number 4. I think I gave one away. And yeah, so it's a fixed blade knife again, full tang. It's got the serrated edge right there. Got fire starter on it, and a 7CR stainless steel, serrated edge, fixed blade, rubber grip, fire starter, and the sheath on the back here. Just looks like a woven nylon sheath, and it has a knife sharpener on the back there. Sheath with integrated sharpener. So, yeah. Now that's a stainless steel blade with a rubber overmold. Flat sage color. I think I got these for $25. The Arachniv knife, I'm not sure. I think it was also 20 something. There's something that they could also come in handy. The Ultimate Guide to Navigating Without a Compass. How to find your way using the sun, stars, and other natural methods. That's by, I don't know how to pronounce his name, Christopher Nyergis. And there we go. I'm sure that could be helpful. We got one more thing in here. What is it? Made in China, whatever it is. Oh, okay. This is another crazy watch I got here. So there we go. It's got a pretty stiff rubber handle, unlike my I forgot the name of that, Garmin Instinct watch, which I put a sun compass on. So this watch has a flashlight on it, which is why I got it. It's pretty huge. I mean, you know, that's a pretty big watch. And it looks like it's just working. The time needs to be set. Looks like it's a wind-up watch. And here you have your micro SD port to charge it. Okay, it comes with a compass too. Okay, so you can slide that compass on there. Does it work? Yeah, that compass looks a little crooked, but it's close. Pretty close. I don't remember what I paid for this. Here's your wall charger for the flashlight. Does the flashlight work? I don't even know how to turn it on. There, got a switch on the top here. Okay, there we go. And it's pretty bright. So I got this so I could have a flashlight I wouldn't have to hold in my hand. Also, one of the best things is a headlamp type flashlight, so your hands are free to do whatever you need to do. So yeah, I like these pretty good purchases here. There's the manual. Like I said, I forgot what I paid for this. Couldn't have been too much. Cats are play fighting back there. Shift and switch, indicator flashing, search mode, indicator light reminder, charging instructions, quartz watch time adjustment. Yeah. Do not use professional diving flashlights. Completely immersed in water. Well, it's not for, this is not a, is this supposed to be a diving flashlight? I don't think so. Those get to be pretty expensive, so I just wanted a, I saw this suggested to me by Amazon, and I thought it was pretty neat, you know. You wind your watch up so it doesn't, you know, die like this will when the battery runs out. You have to charge the flashlight though, and it's got a compass. So there we go. That's what's in my mystery box. 2 mystery boxes. Yeah. Pretty nice bug out bag stuff. Also, I forgot my shirt, but don't forget to like and subscribe and share if you want to. Thanks for watching.